Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kukuletu Zurich and we are back. On today's video I will be showing how I install my new unit from Baby Blue. It's a, what do they call it? What is that hair? Synthetic hair wig. Yes. I will be showing you the steps on how I install it, but I will be doing that thing you would see mina ngikhuluma ngaphasi mara la kule video angikhulumi. This please like, subscribe and leave a comment and tell me what else you would like to see on my channel. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and goodbye. Let's get into it. This is my wig. It's kind of messy. Here it's a full frontal and it came in this cute little packaging with a Baby Blue. You can search them on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to put the wig on. It has this thing, so I'm just going to connect, and then there we go. It didn't break, right? No, it didn't. Okay, but I combed my hairline. Why is it doing me like this? I'm going to be taking my Got2b Ultra Clued. It's almost finished, and do this. Hi boo. And apply it just in front of my hairline. I then took my scissors to cut off the lace, but I wanted to stick it on my skin first before cutting it. So I was doing that here. I saw this step somewhere on other videos. I don't even know if it will work for me, but let's see if it works. Installing this wig is such a challenge. Like it was a challenge for me. I don't know if it's because of the camera or what, but it was an easy trial. I went through a lot of shit, but let's hope it will work out. And now we are cutting the lace. We start in the front, cut, go to the back and stop wherever you feel like you want to stop. Well, I didn't really know what I was doing here, but I did it because my first frontal wig, I cut it while it was on my hand. I didn't install it, then cut it. I cut it before I installed it. Yeah, I hope you get me. So you go like roughly, not really straight, but okay, mine was straight. So yeah, whatever man, wherever, just as long as you're not cutting the hair, I'm sure it'll work out at the end. So I was just doing that, going in so that my ear can like fit in and not glue down my ear with my piercing, of course. Continue cutting. It was a challenge because I didn't really know what I was doing, and I felt like I was cutting the wrong places. So yeah, child. And then we go on to the other side, cut to the other side of the lace. I started at the bottom near the ear. Well, I just did. I don't even know why I was doing that. Because now we're checking if we did the right thing on both sides and fixing wherever there is that needs fixing. Am I saying this correctly? What am I saying? Okay, whatever guys, but you can hear what I'm saying. Ngizoze ngikhulume umother tongue manje. You cut the remaining lace on the sides. Well, I didn't know how to cut it here because it looked crazy when I was cutting, looking at the camera. So I had to look on my mirror so that I can cut it correctly because I couldn't even like hold the scissor properly. Yeah guys, and then you glue down the parts that are not glued since we put on some gel but didn't glue down everything. So we add gel and glue down the other parts, especially the ends, because they are the ones which are problems. Guys, sticking these two parts, the corners, was not easy. Now I'm using the hair dryer to like dry the glue, and it was very hot. I couldn't turn it down because I don't know how to. I couldn't like reduce the heat. So yeah, I used it like that, tried to stick the ends down, and it still was hard as hell, and the hair was even getting into my mouth. But what can we do? We started this and we're gonna finish it. So I tried also the other side, even if that other side was not sticking yet. But yes, we are sticking it. Ngengani angisho kumele kuhlale phasi ngeke sive ngako. Now I'm taking my got to be glued spray to try and stick it because it was still not sticking properly. So I had to like try and stick it down, man. This was hard, very hard. And I also sprayed the other areas so that it melts, the lace melts into my skin. Well, the top part and the front part was like glued down, but I just did it just to melt the lace. And you can even see, man, it was still not sticking. I don't know, maybe it was my hair underneath because it kept on popping. So I'm just assuming my hair contributed in this hardness, but I finally managed to, or maybe I tried, and then here was opening opening what, taking a piece, whatever, what is it, a portion of the hair for hairline for the baby hairs. Yes, so you know the vibes, frontals and baby hairs. Well, it was kind of hard also to do this, but better than the laying down part in the corners. I then took this hair tie. It's not really a hair tie, it came with the hair, the packaging. It's just something to decorate, I think, or to close the packaging on top, and to make sure that the lace is glued down. But it wasn't really participating, it wasn't doing the work. So I had to just try and do it off camera and came back without it. I think it was a bit too silky and not really long enough to give me, you know what. So now we're proceeding with our baby hairs. Oh, I already look fine, child. Look at that. I look very fine. We're cutting the portions that we took from that we what? Okay, whatever. Lesiwathethe lapha phakathi kwaleti noleletiningi. Siyajuba kuze kuthi kungadonamathelana uma sisenda lama baby hairs. I hope ningvile. And I do it on the other side. Oh my goodness, look at this girl walking in, distracting my video. Oh my god. But don't mind her, mind me. I'm the one at work here. You know the vibes. Okay, and she's like appearing there. Oh my god. Let's not mind her, my roommate. And continue with what we were doing. I then took what is it? My mousse. Is it my mousse? Yeah, my hair mousse, olive oil mousse to do the edges. Yes, it's my olive oil mousse, and I did my edges with a toothbrush. I sprayed it on my hand because I thought I was going to do a proper thing. I thought it was going to work actually, and it actually melted down my hand and it was all over. A mess, not even a beautiful one. And I went in with my got2b glue again on my edges so that they can like stick properly and not fall off, because the mousse is quite not that strong. So I had to get a stronger thing, and continue to lay them. They laid better with the glue than with the mousse actually. And yeah, man, it was hard. The edges, some parts were gone, but I had cut them, I had seen them, and then I had to redo that thing again. It was just too much work here, but just had to, because it's Hansadin for.
Why got soluti vetala? So ufuna kukhumula la kule video ya.
Akiboni chimusi.
Uyabonakala?
No.
Yes.
Well, I just wanted to show you guys what I deal with every day when I'm recording videos or maybe doing TikTok. And yeah, I couldn't even like dry the hair or straighten it using a straightener because I was already frustrated with what's been going on, the baby hairs and the gluing it down. So I thought I should just comb it and leave the rest. And yeah, it was looking fine already. I was okay with the way it looked, so I did not see the need to straighten it, because you don't really have to straighten synthetic hairs a lot. It ruins the fibers. Yeah, the hair fibers, they're going to be damaged if you like always straighten the hair, even if there's no need to. And then I took my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me, to define the line in between. Not a lot, just dab a little, and also in the front to have that thing, man. Ya gore, what lace? Yeah, bon. So yeah, I did just that, and it worked fine. My line was not really defined, and it didn't do a lot actually, but I liked the way it was because it was like the natural color of the wig. So I like that, and continue to do the other sides, both sides. And yeah, man, my wig was already pop and ready to be taken pictures. Yabo. But this other side, my left hand side, was, I don't know if it's left or right, because you know when you're facing the camera and it's so confusing, but whatever, the lace was giving me problems. Like, it was, I couldn't do my baby hairs because I lost the line that I actually opened. It was gone. So my baby hair, that side was gone also. It was not that defined because I was frustrated. I couldn't open another line. You know the vibes, man. This thing is tiring. Yo, it's a full-time job. Imagine if I had to do this every day. Yo. So I went in with my olive oil mousse. Ngiyibone ngathi anganikhombi kahle, so I'm showing it to you right now. To get rid of the flyaways that were there and help me get that laid effect. You know the vibes, moss. And go went in with my brush to brush in the mousse and the flyaways to lay down. And my wig was almost done. I was almost done laying the wig, but I was just doing the other things that are necessary. Now the girl is fine and done. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you guys so much, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.